guys, it's me again, Logan. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I'm having another Pokemon battle, but I have more Pokemon. If you've seen my other videos, actually, this is my first Pokemon video I've made. Yeah. If my other videos, were Beyblades. Yeah, go see those. It's called Phantom Orion is OP. No, it's opening. Okay. There's my first battle for YouTube. Okay. See? No Pokemon yet. But I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, 66 Pokemon.
63. Yeah. Sorry. This is getting annoying. Okay, guys, I'm about to take a pause. Okay, you guys, sorry, I'm back. So I'm not gonna give you like that many. I'm gonna use like that many. I'm gonna show the YouTubers my Pokemon, and I'm gonna
hold my Pokemon.
Don't tell me what yours are. I'm gonna show the viewers my Pokemon, and then
All of my Pokemon both have 60 health.
they do.
Two both have 79.
That's the first one. Terrible. Terrible. Terrible.
I choose you.
I'm not brother. Don't let me see. I can't see them yet. Hide them. Dino. Really good.
Logan, I choose these three.
I can't. Don't show me. You're not supposed to. Ugh. You can only choose one at a time. Scraggy. Choose. Timber. Heliusk. Pretty sure most of you guys know what Heliusk is. And you can't tell me. Or show me guys. Hardier, Rose Red, and Golett. Now I'm gonna show my opponents. Send me a Pokemon.
This one.
All of them. These are his Pokemon. Avalugg. Shaman. That's my card. That Quagsire, I think. Tell me what his name is in the comments, please. I really want to know.
What?
PG! Batley. Homonage. Melon. Panpour. Alright, Mom. Days. Mom, okay. Wait, you have to leave? Where is it? Let me see it. I thought it was right there. Oh, it's red. Tell me what finger that you think this is in the comments, and this, please. Okay, so. Okay. Oh. Fudge. Oh, fudge. I knew I shouldn't have done that. I had. Slow picking up. This is the picking cards up thing challenge people do. Yeah. Screw that. This challenge. Oh, come on. All my cards are gonna get wet. Are wet, actually. Boom. Boom. Them all up. Almost done. Stay stuck. Woo! Got the what? Yeah. Roll back in the stack. Nice neat stack. Okay. Ooh. Finally. Gotta hurry. Thing stings back. Be back in a second. What? Back. All the cards back. Alright. Snow. There. Alright, I'm all packed, as you see. I'm all packed, as you guys can see. Just gonna, yeah. North America. If you've never seen North America, this is what it's usually like. That. It's all ready. That. There's the road. I have no clue. You. All right. Come on. The heck? Coming. Back. Just get back. Whoop. Slippery. Woo. Yeah, this is what North America's like, usually all the time. Well, in Indiana, this is what it's like. Alright guys, I'm about to go inside. Help me look. What? I'm back. I'm unpacked. Yeah. Here's my jacket. Backpack. I was just on the bus. There's the stove. Oh no. Okay. Down, 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 down. Anything up there? Oh. Ugh. Go, 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 go. Where is he? He's gone. Go here. Snowy. Birds. Our birds. Our wonderful, wonderful birds. There's one, I don't know, Sonny. That's our cockatiel. There's the, I forget his name, or hers. That one's a he or her, I forget. Actually, that's Dusty. That's, don't know. Yeah, that's Dusty and Sonny. Our first two birds. There's a different one. Alright. Oh. There's two. My favorite bird of all time! Gadget is his name. Gadget. He is a parrot? Parrot? I forget. That is a, I forget. She's Sally, my bird. He's also my bird. She's also my bird. Alright, bye. Goodbye, guys.